Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm taking up a 20 pips challenge, which I saw on the internet. And to begin with, I've chosen gold as the instrument to trade because I think it's much more easier to navigate compared to other uh, pairs in the forex. So I'm going to walk you through the trade I took on gold that hit the take profit, although not an ideal um, way of taking up this challenge, but this did work. I'm also going to explain my entry, stop loss, take profit levels, and most importantly, the reasoning behind the trade so you can learn from it and you can learn from my mistakes as well. So let us look at this chart. So here's the chart. I entered at this point. Um, it was a long trade at 3867.97. At the time, gold had just bounced off the support after a sharp drop, and I was watching a 5-minute chart very closely. The area around 3867 was an important level. Price had reacted to it before, and I wanted to catch the next upward move. The gold was bullish at this point. So my risk to reward ratio, the stop loss was set uh, at below the previous support zone. It was 3861, which was below the recent swing low, protecting me if the market broke down further. My take profit was set at 3874, right before the next resistance zone. So that gave me about 636 pips reward versus 694 pips risk, which is close to 1 is to 1, but it's not an ideal risk to reward ratio. But since the momentum was strong, I was confident in this setup. After the entry, the price did exactly as I expected. It retested my entry zone, then pushed higher. The key was to hold the position, trusting the analysis. On the 5-minute candles, once price broke above the 3870, the buyer stepped in and the move happened quickly to my target, which was 3874. So my trade did hit a profit at 3874, locking in $6.36 on 0.01 lot size, which is again not ideal. But this was the very first step, and I wanted to see how where I can take this um, challenge. In upcoming uh, levels, you're going to see me be more precise with my lot size and my reasoning behind taking the trade. As you can see, I'm at level one, step one. My starting balance was $20. The percentage risk was 30%. That is about $6. The profit was 30%, 1 is to 1, which is again $6. The pips, however, we are supposed to only take 20 pips in every trade. However, I messed up with the lot size. I did not um, think too much about it. So um, the stop loss pips was 694 pips and take profit was 636, which is not a good ideal thing to do in this challenge. So the instrument used was gold and the ending balance was 26.50. However, in upcoming levels, upcoming steps, I'm going to be more careful and let's see how this thing goes. When I complete the challenge, I'll be posting this to as a single video. So what lessons we can take from this is you have to identify the strong support and resistance zone. You have to place the stop loss below the structure, not too tight. That's what I do to safeguard myself from hitting the stop loss. Then take profit before the next resistance so you exit before the market stalls. So I'll keep sharing more of these breakdowns downs. If you have found this helpful, like, subscribe, and let me know if you need any more clarifications. Thank you.